Hi bestie, welcome back. Today I'm gonna give you a full entire skincare routine on how to get rid of skin redness, irritation and inflammation caused by acne, and overall soothe your sensitive skin to finally give you the clear glowy skin of your dreams. As you guys can see from this video, my skin was really going through it like a week and a half ago. It was super red, irritated, it actually stung whenever I applied any moisturizer or any serums for that matter, and just my skin barrier was so damaged, and that was kind of mainly because I switched up the strength of my tretinoin, but really it happens very often. But so I thought, what better time to actually show you guys how I treat this issue when it comes up. So I'm not only going to tell you guys the main ingredients that you should be using in your skincare routine when your skin is super red, sensitive and damaged, but I'm also going to be giving you some tips and sharing some secrets that I have learned throughout the years of experiencing with even chemical burns and how I treat them, as well as a few product recommendations that I actually tried for the first time when I was really going through it this time. And this is the new Mediheal Tea Tree Chica Blemish range. I have a toner pads, and also a very concentrated serum, and of course the iconic masks from Mediheal, which I love. I've talked about it so much. So since this product worked so well on me, I actually decided to partner up with Mediheal on this video to show you guys how good they are. And of course, as always, I will leave the products down below in the description box in case you guys want to buy them for yourself and try them for yourself and see how good they are. Okay, so we're starting right with a bang, and I'm gonna already reveal one of my first top secrets that I have learned. And honestly, I know that a lot of people are gonna be mad at me, but it must be said. And that is gonna be when you have red, irritated, sensitized skin, choosing a cleanser is very difficult, and it's very crucial and important because cleansing step is really the part where you could really F up your whole entire skin even more. So unless you can find a cleanser that contains very hydrating and gentle cleansing agents, my personal favorite way is to actually just cleanse with water. Water is the most gentle thing that you can use. I actually cleanse once a day, maybe sometimes two a day, but really water is gonna be the best because there's no chance of irritation at all. Also, notice how I said only once. Usually that is because when my skin is super irritated, I don't want to overdo it. Even if I am using very soothing products and ingredients, I still want to keep it as simple as possible. So I will most often just do my skin routine once a day to let my skin heal and repair by itself. So now the cleansing step is covered, let's move on to the toner step. I sometimes do say that it is not essential, like it's not a must, but really when you have sensitive, irritated, red skin, I really think that toner is a must in this case. And that is because it's an added step of hydration, it's juiciness, and if you pick the right toner, it can also provide really good calming agents to the skin. And of course, if you're familiar with Korean skincare, there's actually a trick of layering more than one toner. One on top of the other, and that is because it's really going to give you super juiciness. I do this especially in the wintertime. One of the best secrets ever. And so in this case, I tried the Mediheal Tea Tree Blemish Chica pads, which let me show you what they are. They're basically gin soaked with their toner, so they're really super easy to use. And I go in first with these, and then once I do a good layer of this, I'll go in with the liquid one, which is actually, I think, a little heavier and more moisturizing than this one. You can also decide to put a lot more of this, which I do go overboard. So the main ingredients in these are tea tree, which yes is an essential oil and sold separately is a no, but formulated in a product is actually very effective and good. So it has anti-inflammatory purposes, which helps to soothe and relieve pain and irritated skin. Another great ingredient and power duo is Centella Asiatica and aloe vera gel. I always say these two are sisters because they do the exact same thing, but when these two ingredients are paired together in a product, it just means that it's going to be so soothing. Anyway, Centella Asiatica is great to treat small wounds as well as burns and psoriasis because of its antioxidant, anti-inflammatory and anti-aging purposes. And then of course aloe vera, we all know what it does. It also contains one of our favorite ingredient mind, which is actually chamomile, which as we all know, if drank, it calms you down and puts you to sleep, but if applied topically, it also calms the skin. Now that the toner step is covered and your skin will already be feeling quite juicy and hydrated as of now, it is time to move on to the serum step, of course. Now ladies, however, listen up here, okay? I need your full attention. It is crucial that you do not use active ingredients that can be a little bit too sensitizing because it's only going to make matters worse. So I don't want you to be using retinols, vitamin C, glycolic acids, lactic acids, salicylic acids. That is too much risk, even niacinamide, I would say. You really want to focus on using serums that actually contain a soothing, gentle, plant-based ingredients. Those are going to be the best ones for soothingness. And so in this case, Mediheal actually came out with an amazing serum in this line. It kind of has the same name, but the ingredients do differ, which I will show you later on in this video, like in a second. But as you can see, it is super green. It is like, you can tell that it's going to be so soothing and hydrating on your skin. First of all, look at the color.
Look at the material.
You should be going home
You can
anyway.
be the judge of it.
don't we just love it? Like, it screams soothingness and nature to me, like a potion. Now, this serum not only has the main ingredients in the toners, but in a much higher concentration, it also contains a lot more plant extracts. One of which, again, one of my favorites is actually green tea, because it is super soothing. It has anti-inflammatory purposes. So not only is it going to calm down your skin, but it also has one of the most powerful antioxidants after vitamin C, which is actually EGCG. So it's going to protect your collagen, it's going to be anti-aging, and also brighten the skin. And finally, sheet masks, just like toners, usually I would say they're a bonus, an added step if you want to be fancy. But in this case, you really do need a sheet mask that contains hydrating, soothing ingredients that really is able to provide an extra step of moisturization, which, if you haven't figured out by now, moisture and hydration and calmingness is all that we're looking for in this routine. We don't need any active ingredients because we have overdone it. Our skin literally only needs moisture and hydration to be able to repair itself quickly and correctly. So you need something like, for example, these great masks, they are iconic. Like BTS love them, and for a very good reason. These actually contain natural moisturizing factors, NMF, and this is no cap, like one of the most hydrating and juicy masks that I've ever tried in my whole entire career. So NMFs, or natural moisturizing factors, it contains arginine, allotonin, adenosine, glutamine, alanine, and many others, which are essential amino acids your skin actually really needs to maintain a healthy skin barrier and therefore repair the damage that has been caused. It also contains mushroom and sweet almond extract, so it's really juicy, as you can see from the consistency. I apply this after cleansing and toning, so to also trap the toners into my skin and make it seep in faster, and I leave it on for 20 minutes. And a trick that I have learned is always to squeeze the packaging, because as you can see, there's so much essence left, so I just take it down my neck and down my chesticle area. Now, Mediheal actually offers a lot of options when it comes to its sheet mask. So it has the NMF, the collagen one, which I really like, the vitamin C one, also the placenta I remember I tried, but I actually made a full entire video dedicated to the mask, so if you're gonna go watch it, specifically go there. And I actually used their sheet mask like 3 times in that week, and that really gave me an added boost, and I could really see a difference every time I use one of those masks. So that's why I really recommend these. Now, other ingredients you might want to look out for, which are going to be very beneficial for you, even though they are contained in these products. Maybe you want a dedicated serum, so specifically like a hyaluronic acid serum that is going to give you a lot of plumpiness, hydration, moisturization. Maybe a Centella Asiatica dedicated gel in case you want to add it up to this. But honestly, like, I'm being completely honest now, I think even though I'm a very big fan of aloe vera gels, this was enough for me for my skin. But if you do want to add it up in any case, then yes, of course, apply moisturizers, apply all the ceramides, apply maybe an amino acid serum, even though again, this serum contains it. So that's why I'm saying that this is already enough as it is. Like, literally everything is in these products that you might need. So that's why this, I think, is such a great and complete range. Anyways, as I already said, if you want to try any of these babies, I actually linked all of them down below in the description box. You can buy them on the Mediheal website. Anyways, thank you for watching. Hope your skin is gonna get better. The poor baby, that she's irritated, and now that she knows and you know how to treat her, I hope that she goes to sleep without crying tonight. Okay, baby, okay? And if you enjoyed this video, of course, make sure to subscribe to the bell icon so you don't miss any more uploads, because this, let me tell you, we're all about getting your skin cutie down to the T, fighting any issues you may have when it comes to redness, acne. I literally had wrinkles. I literally had it all. And also, of course, we're beauty obsessed and plastic surgery obsessed. So if you're wild there, just follow me also on my Instagram and on my TikTok, because there's a lot more content in those 2 realms that you will not see over there, that you're gonna only see there. And we can just further on deep at the bottom. But excuse me, what do you think you're doing? You're not gonna get this video. What you need to do is click one other of these 2 videos right here, just as informative, informational, whatever it is that you do. But when you do that, remember to be random and always be random.